Good morning and welcome back to another video, guys. The thing is, I've been really craving for Chikoo ice cream lately, and this is a very special video because we have a very special celebrity, celebrity, a celebrity fresh, a celebrity chef coming to meet us, and I'm gonna teach us how to prepare a Chikoo ice cream. Stay tuned. Good morning, guys. My name is Chef Gordan Rasmi, and it is an honor, more like a privilege, to be on the RizVlogs. Today, I am gonna teach you the art that cooking requires. Today, I am gonna teach you the art of making a Chikoo ice cream for one person with just one Chikoo. Please stay tuned. The ingredients are going to be simple. We firstly need one Chikoo, we need milk, we need sugar, we need a glass of water, and most importantly, we need the ace of diamonds. So what we are going to do is basically keep the Chikoo in the. Then we're gonna find something that gives us the memories of a Chikoo ice cream. Example, I have this old whatever what it is of the Chikoo ice cream, and we are gonna cover the Chikoo with that dabba. Next, what we are gonna do is sit back and take a sip of water. Then I am going to ask you to think of a card. Let me guess. Was it the ace of diamonds? Yes, you were right. There we have, ladies and gentlemen, our Chikoo ice cream finally ready to be served. I mean, to be eaten. Thank you. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Gordan Rasmi here, signing off. See you someday soon. With all my heart pouring out, I would like to thank Gordan Rasmi to having accompanied us and for teaching us this amazing recipe. Thank you, sir. We would want to have you again and again and again and again. Mr. Grasshopper, I hope you are still watching the videos. Because see, I'm trying to wait. What? No, oh no, I kind of watered everywhere except the plants. Oh shit, I'm bad. I'm bad at that. Nah, but seriously, focus, camera, focus, camera. Come on, my face. Yeah, thank you. But like seriously, I've been trying to do card tricks. I've been this quarantine, and I'm pretty much successful at that. Like I've learned magic. Okay, so I'm gonna try the first one with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna ask you to pick up one card. Okay, pick up one card. Yeah, let's say this is your card. Okay, the 9 of diamonds. Don't show it to me. Show it to the camera, and remember that in the mind. Okay, I'm gonna place your cards on the top of the deck. It's gonna be an easy one. Okay, we're gonna shuffle it. Okay, we're gonna shuffle it. It's not gonna be tough, okay? Yeah. Okay. No, it takes time. Okay. Now think of your card. Think about it that the card is gonna be the. We're gonna do it this way. Okay. I have one card remaining on the hand. Now think about it. No, just think about it. That's gonna be your card. Do you understand that? And ladies and gentlemen, on the snap of my fingers, like Thanos, here do we have your card. The focus, camera, focus. The 10 of the. Wasn't it the 7? Once again. The 7 of diamonds. Thank you. I'm gonna have to pick this up now. Pick this up now. We also have like really many bottles, plastic bottles, and like all kinds of bottles at home. And I really want to do something with them. I am sure many creative people are watching my vlogs. Okay, comment down, let me know what I can do so that we could actually, come up with more content. We are struggling with that. Okay, it's for at the end of the day, Anson has a new car. And he has just made it up to say hi to RizVlogs during the last day of quarantine, I suppose. And said, "नई गाड़ी करना ये दे, क्या है नाम का? पेड़ क्या है ना? No, And then तू उलोबास होते किधर? There we have Anson, one of our dearest people who once used to, roam around. The days we would roam outside, visiting us. Just to check on us if we are alive or dead. But and I request to, if you two are missing me, you could come here and stay a meter away from me. We could have a nice conversation. Till then, take care. Bye. See you. Good night. Peace. Mog Asum.